Greetings, folks. Do I have a banger for you today? I will not bore you with the regular mumbo jumbo. We will dive straight into the demo, and you can see the power yourself and make an informed decision.
Welcome to the demo of DeepSmartX. My name is Jay Sharma, CEO of DeepSmartX, VIDEOO LLC company in USA. Now, before I give you demo of each feature, let me just quickly show you what we have inside this. Now, you can create new chat from here, just like ChatGPT DeepSeek. We have made it really simple, the same layout, same UI to ensure you don't need any learning curve. Make it really simple for you. You can toggle the sidebar, you can toggle to dark mode, light mode, you can choose your language if you're not native English speaker. You can create any chat private, public. Inside settings, you can again toggle dark mode or sign out. And here, quickly, you can see we have few prompts here to help you out understand few features. When you click on here, attach, you can summarize any image, any PDF, any URL, any website. When you click on plus, you can actually insert prompt, complex prompt easily. So system will help you. You can create document, you can create image, you can create videos and music as well. If you want to search on latest news, you can use search function. And if you want model to think really deep on very deep intense topic, you can click on deep think. At the same time, we have voice input as well here. So if you don't want to type, just click on this, convert your voice into text and just click enter and system will give you answers. Okay, now let's start with the basic. Does DeepSmartX give me latest information? We have one prompt here. Let's just click on that and see latest news on Russia war with Ukraine, which is a really hot topic. As you can see, this is the latest news which is given to you. Now, if you ask the same thing from DeepSeek, it won't be able to give you because that's a model till 2023. Okay. Now, let me ask in a search function again, who is current president of USA? If you ask the same question to DeepSeek, please try it. It will tell you Joe Biden, which is information from 2023. Okay. Now, let's start with another function here. Let me start a new chat because I want to show you all the prompts here. Now, help me write an essay about Silicon Valley. Let's just click on that. Here you can see the whole essay on Silicon Valley. Now, that's not it. When you got an essay, you can actually edit it here. Instead of valley, you can say city or something. You can write it from here. You have the function to view changes, previous changes. You can do undo, and you can actually copy this to your Google Drive as well. You can copy it to clipboard as well, and you can actually download it as well. Now you have this document here. You can download it as well. Also, when you go to the chat, you click on share, you can make it private, public. You can also download or delete this chat. Now, you see how simple it is. Now, I want to make it something better. So, I would say write poem to propose a girl. Romantic poem. Make it 10 lines only. Easy to understand. Let's just see. Now you can see, so you can actually create poem using this model and propose to your lady or anyone else. Let me again show you next feature. Now let me click on new chat just to show you the feature. So what about reading URL? You can read URL from here as well, or we can just click on get info on here just to show you. So it's our own sales page. As you can see, it is showing exactly what we have on the sales page. Now if I open the sales page, there's a summary of what our AI model does, and it is given that in a very precise manner. Now let me open just some other site. Let me just open jvideo.com. Just me click on summarize URL and just click on that and enter. Now you can see it's a platform for buying, selling digital products. It can simply, now let me just take Shopify.com. You see, it is giving you exact information in precise manner of any URL you want. Now, let's just try to read some PDF. Let me just click on that. Click on Summarize PDF. I did one of the transfers here. Let me just click on this. Explain this. Okay, so it's showing, because it's a sensitive document, it's showing, it understands what to show, what not to show. It's showing payment receipt from the Mercury, which is exactly that only. Let me just click on that again. Yes, so this is the document which I sent to Facebook for business management account recovery. You see, you read the URL as well. Now let's just click on summarize the image. So this is my image with my Range Rover car. So let's just open that. Explain this image. Now you can see there's a person standing next to a purple Range Rover SUV. Individual is appeared to be posing for the photo, wearing casual attire including white t-shirt and jeans. Exactly, it is explaining that. Is this person confident or handsome or smart? Yeah, I am confident. Okay, let's move to the next feature. We have showed you summarize PDF, summarize URL. Now let me show you other features. Let's say insert prompt here. Now what you can do here, you don't have to do anything. If you have to generate content or do copywriting, generate content ideas, you can just click on you're an expert, renowned this. If I write that, and it will, let me just toggle off the image model, and it will keep writing like a normal writer. You see the document is written and instantly. Now, and again, you can save it to Google Drive, your Google Drive. You can copy to clipboard. You can here do the changes as well. A lot of things you can do here. Now, when I click on it again, when I click on insert prompt, you can see you have so many prompts here. Human-like content, copywriter, generate content ideas, create social media content, contract drafting, market research, market automation, writing, email marketing, NDAs, SQL expert, fix grammar error, act as a storyteller. Okay, let's just click on that and enter. These are the simple prompts, to create basic necessity stories or do marketing task. We will keep on adding more prompts from here. Now let's just close it and let's open a new chat to ensure there's not cluttered. So what about generate? We can generate from here as well, or the video, music, documents here as well. You saw the document just now. Now generate image of cat on the street. Cat, sorry. You see the cat on the street. What a beautiful image this is. Let me just create one more image. Oil painting of London of 18, or let's say 1900. What a beautiful image this is. You see, the imagination is excellent here. Now let's again move to new chat, because I want to show you this prompt here. Generate music on theme of love. Now you might have to wait for 30 seconds or something to generate music, but you see the music is here. Let me just play it. What a great music. You can actually download this music from here, and you can download up, just increase the playback speed. Let me create one more music. Gym motivation music with, I don't know, any instrument. Let's just keep it simple. I can also add guitar or something else. Here you have. Let me just click on this. Really good music for me to get pumped up. It is actually showing you what music this has generated. What about one more? Romantic music to propose a partner. Please don't think that I'm about to propose anyone, because I'm writing those things. It's just to show you the creativity of DeepSmartX. Here you have another music. It's showing you exactly what this has done. Let's just play it. What a music to propose someone. Okay, let's just move to next feature. Create a document on, it's showing climate change. Let's write climate change. Here you can see the document on climate change again. You can edit this document. You can save it to your Google Drive. You can copy it. You can download it and do a lot of things on top of this. Now, let's move on to the next and the biggest feature. Now, before that, we have this one prompt here. Let's just click on this. What is Apple stock price today? To show you that it actually fetches the current data, unlike DeepSeek and few other models. You see, exact information is given to you here. Now, okay, let's just show you DeepThink first, which is bigger number, 0.9 or 0.911. If you remember, this was a problem in which ChatGPT gave a wrong answer and DeepSeek actually gave a right answer, and that's how DeepSeek became bigger. Now we are giving the exact same problem. Now ChatGPT got smarter, it learned, but DeepSeek was better. Now when it comes to this, it is giving 0.911 is a bigger number, which is correct. Now you see, it can actually do deep thinking about any topic you want, be it calculation, be it philosophy, spirituality, be it marketing, be it about your marketing campaign. And let me just write here, hello, can you record my voice? Yes, it is recording my voice. Let me just toggle it off. And if I just enter, it will be a command. Easy command. Now it will tell you that because it's random sentence. Now, the biggest feature of all, video generation. Now, I show you in my prompt, I typed happy dog dancing on street, and here you can see the video. It may not be the best quality, but yeah, AI model is improving. And let me tell you, this is much better than AWS Amazon Nova model, which takes 5 minutes. So if you type here, you can actually download this video from here. You can download playback speed, picture-in-picture, and maximize it. You can also copy it. Now, let me try to generate something else as well. Let's just open a new tab. Let's click on create video. Calm beach waves. Let's type enter. After waiting for 3 to 4 minutes, if you refresh it, you can see video here. You see calm beach waves. You can download this video. You can playback speed. You can do picture-in-picture. You can download this video. How about one more video? Earth rotating in space. Now you again refresh and you can see this beautiful video. If I play it, you see Earth rotating in space. How beautiful that is. Okay, now let me just open a new chat once more and show you one more video. Wearing sunglasses. How about this? Let's refresh and you can see a beautiful video here. A dog wearing sunglasses. You can again download from here. You can maximize it, play speed, picture-in-picture. Let's do one more, the last one. Let's say if you have to showcase your product, shoes on display. When you refresh after 2-3 minutes, you will see shoes on display. What a beautiful videos here. Now, probably this snow boots. Now, you see all the features here. I showed you 4 videos back to back, then the text, the document. You can toggle from here. You can toggle the sidebar. You can toggle the mode, language. You can make any conversation private or public. You can share that, delete, download, and here you can summarize any image. You can upload, summarize PDF, summarize URL. You can create videos, music, images, documents, and so many insert prompts which we will add more. You can do deep thinking, search latest news, and voice input as well. So that's all from the dashboard.
There you have it. It's what I call fire. If you see the value, pick it up by clicking the link in the description. Until next time.